Plant family, 30 genera in Cupressaceae. Ferbvu's fascination with the Cupressaceae. The verdant world of botany is a treasure trove of wonders, teeming with diverse plant families, each boasting unique characteristics. Among these botanical jewels, the Cupressaceae family holds a special place in my heart. As a seasoned plant enthusiast, I've delved deep into the world of conifers and the Cupressaceae, with its impressive diversity and ecological significance, has captivated my imagination. Let's embark on a journey through this fascinating family, exploring its key genera and their unique attributes. The Cupressaceae, an overview. The Cupressaceae, also known as the cypress family, comprises a vast assemblage of coniferous trees and shrubs. They are renowned for their evergreen foliage, scale-like or needle-like leaves, and the production of cones. These conifers are vital components of various ecosystems, providing habitats for wildlife, contributing to soil stabilization, and playing a significant role in the global carbon cycle. The Cupressaceae family exhibits a remarkable geographical distribution, with members thriving in diverse habitats across the globe. From the towering redwoods of California to the hardy junipers of the Arctic, these conifers have adapted to an array of climatic conditions. The Cupressaceae family boasts a rich tapestry of genera, each contributing to the family's diversity and ecological significance. Let's delve into genera and their distinguishing features. Juniperus. Junipers are a diverse group of conifers, ranging from low-growing shrubs to towering trees. They are known for their aromatic foliage, often used in culinary and medicinal applications. Junipers produce fleshy cones known as juniper berries, which are a key ingredient in gin production. 74 species in genus Juniperus. Cupressaceae. Cypresses are iconic conifers, often associated with Mediterranean landscapes. They are characterized by their tall, slender forms and dense, evergreen foliage. Cypresses have been cultivated for centuries for their ornamental value and timber. 16 species in genus Cupressaceae. Chemisiporus. False cypresses are closely related to true cypresses but differ in their flattened foliage and smaller cones. They are popular ornamental trees, admired for their graceful forms and diverse cultivars. 5 species in genus Chemisiporus. Thuja. Arborvitaes are evergreen conifers known for their dense, scale-like foliage and compact growth habits. They are widely used in landscaping as hedges, screens, and trees. 5 species in genus Thuja. Sequoia. Redwoods are among the most awe-inspiring trees on Earth, renowned for their towering heights and longevity. The coast redwood, Sequoia sempervirens, is the tallest tree species, while the giant sequoia, Sequoiadendron giganteum, is the most massive. 2 species in genus Sequoia. Sequoiadendron. Giant sequoias are colossal conifers, boasting massive trunks and thick, reddish bark. They are endemic to the Sierra Nevada mountains of California and are considered living fossils, with some individuals exceeding 3,000 years in age. Metasequoia. Dawn redwoods are deciduous conifers, shedding their needle-like foliage in autumn. They were once thought to be extinct, but were rediscovered in China in the 1940s. Dawn redwoods are prized for their elegant forms and unique foliage. Metasequoia glyptostroboides in genus Metasequoia, dawn redwood. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The allure of the Cupressaceae. The Cupressaceae family, with its diverse genera and ecological significance, continues to inspire and fascinate me. These conifers, with their evergreen foliage, aromatic scents, and remarkable longevity, are a testament to the wonders of the natural world. As a plant enthusiast, I am committed to promoting the conservation and appreciation of these botanical treasures. By understanding their unique attributes and ecological roles, we can ensure that future generations will continue to marvel at the beauty and resilience of the Cupressaceae.